I hear the alarm clock ringing. It is time to wake up. I still feel a little sleepy. Today will be a busy day. I sit up slowly on the bed. My body feels a bit heavy. I stretch my shoulders gently. I am starting to wake up. I raise my arms and stretch. I move my neck from side to side. This helps my body feel relaxed. I walk slowly to the bathroom. The floor feels cool under my feet. I am ready to wash my face. I look at myself in the mirror. My hair looks messy this morning. I smile and fix my posture. I turn on the faucet, splash cool water on my face, rub my cheeks and forehead. I feel fresh and awake. I pick up my toothbrush, start brushing slowly. I clean the front and the back teeth. I comb my hair with my fingers. I tie it into a ponytail. I adjust it neatly. I feel more ready now. I walk into the kitchen. I feel a little hungry. I open the refrigerator, look for something to cook. I take eggs and some bread.
I crack an egg into the pan. I hear a soft sizzling sound. The smell is very nice. I cut some lettuce and tomato. Fresh vegetables look colorful. They make the meal healthier.
I make a simple sandwich, place the egg inside the bread. I pour cereal into a bowl. I add some cold milk. The sound is soft and relaxing. Breakfast feels complete now. I sit down and start eating. I take a bite of the sandwich. Warm food makes me feel happy. I enjoy the quiet morning. I drink a glass of water. It feels cool and refreshing. Staying hydrated is important. I clean the table after eating. I like keeping my home tidy. Everything looks neat again. I want a professional look today. I choose a white shirt, match it with a black skirt. This outfit looks elegant. I feel confident already. I change into my office clothes. The fabric feels comfortable. I look neat and ready for work. I comb my hair carefully. I smooth the strands with patience. My hairstyle looks neat now. I pick up my earrings. I wear them carefully. Small details make me look polished. I wear my high heels slowly. They match my outfit well. I stand up and take a step. I take my work bag. I check my phone and keys. Everything is ready. I sit in the driver's seat. I place my bag beside me. I start the engine. I drive slowly on the street. The traffic is not too busy. Good morning.
Good morning. What would you like?
A hot latte, please.
Sure. Medium or large?
Medium size is fine.
Takeaway, right?
Yes, takeaway, please.
Your coffee will be ready soon.
The car stops near the office. I step out and close the door. The doors open automatically. I step inside the cool lobby. Work energy fills the space. Good morning. Good morning. Have a nice day. You too. I stand quietly near the elevator. The numbers change one by one. Warm coffee rests in my hand. A calm moment before work. I walk along the hallway. Computer screens glow in the distance. Coworkers talk softly nearby. The working mood feels active. I pull the chair and sit down. The bag rests beside the desk. The laptop opens for the day. Work is about to begin. New messages fill the screen. I read each email carefully. Important notes are written down. The schedule starts to form.
Good morning.
Good morning. Ready for the meeting?
Yes, almost.
The morning routine is complete. I feel ready for every challenge. Today will be a productive day.